Ivan Maylina, GMA Integrated News.
Kunin ko na rin po ang reaksyon ng Palasyo tungkol sa sinabi ni VP Sara. Hindi ho kumbinsido ang Vice President sa isinasagawang investigasyon ito ng Pangulo. And if I may quote, kung seryoso lang talaga ang Presidente, tapos na yan sa isang araw lang. Matuturo niya lahat na may kagagawa ng corruption sa budget. Pero well, as you can see, parang nanonood tayo ng sarsuela.
Okay, isang araw lang matatapos ng investigasyon? That is absolutely preposterous. Ang Pangulong Marcos Jr., hindi po siya nagsasagawa ng investigasyon ala tokhang way.
Get out.
Nirerespeto ng Pangulo ang due process, nirerespeto ng Pangulo ang human rights. So kaya po dumadaan ang lahat sa proseso. Kung isang araw lang po dapat ito na imbestigahan, sana po ay ito ay kanyang nasuggest noon sa kanyang ama dahil mismo ang dating Pangulong Duterte ay umamin na maraming ghost projects rampant noon. This is November 2020.
Come on.
Pero may nasibak bang secretary ng DPWH sa panahon niya?
Stop.
May nasibak bang secretary ng DPWH sa panahon niya?
Fake news na naman si Claire Castro dahil si Yusek DPWH Bunuan ay hindi sinibak ni Marcos kung hindi kusang loob na nagbitiw.
Itong si District Engineer, kung sino naman itong yawa na ito, you are relieved beginning tomorrow. Alleged bagman is the district engineer, has been staying in position for at least 10 years. Secretary Mark issued an order for the transfer of the said district engineer, but until now, it has not been implemented due to the intervention of Congressman Sato. Well, the Secretary of DPWH is listening now. Maybe somebody should relay the message na itong si District Engineer, kung sino naman itong yawa na ito, you are relieved beginning tomorrow. You are listening. This is nationwide. Secretary Mark Villar, kindly implement the order. Get him out of the office by tomorrow, noon time. Former District Engineer Lorna Ricardo has been removed from her post due to the expose made by Commissioner Greco Belica regarding the involvement de Ricardo in corruption activities being perpetrated in your province. You are to report tomorrow to the office of the Secretary. You are relieved. Marlen Ingolio, District Engineer, pati si District Engineer, kaya pala sabi ko, sige ako basa District Engineer pala itong yawa na ito. District Engineer Divinadera, Ramon Dinadivera, pati Marim. You are relieved and report to your secretary by tomorrow. District Engineer Ana Lee Manzano, Misamis Occidental, First District, First Engineering District. And District Engineer Caroline Abinales, OIC, Misamis Occidental, Second District Engineering Office. You are relieved, ma'am. Tomorrow, District Engineer Edeta Babaran, Isabela 3rd District Engineering Office. District Engineer Edmundo de Luna, Isabela 4th District Engineering Office. District Engineer Ireneo Galato, Benguet 1st District Engineering Office. District Engineer Romelda A. Bagasan, Benguet Engineering Office. Itong mga engineer na I mentioned, just for good measure, they're the same. I do not condemn you. I give you the presumption of innocence, just like the congressman. It so happens that your name was cropped up during an investigation. Now, I would like to ask Secretary Villar to give me the list of all district engineers and the districts they are assigned all over the country. I will reorganize the assignments. Ikotin ko kayong lahat.